Welcome everyone to EmTech MIT. My name is Brian Bryson and I'm the Director of Event Content and Client Experiences here at Technology Review. We've put together our most packed conference ever with over 50 speakers from academia and enterprise alongside daily spotlights on both our top 35 innovators and our top 10 breakthrough technologies of the year. I'm privileged in my role here to have the opportunity to interact with each of our speakers. And I'd like to take a few minutes to offer a director's cut on what I think will be some of the highlight moments of the conference. Our main stage lights up on Tuesday, where we focus on some of the key technologies and trends shaping our digital world. We begin with a look at ransomware, where you'll hear Nick Selby give a minute-by-minute account of a breach and what it's like when the bits hit the fan. We'll then transition to two amazing speakers at the forefront of decentralized finance. Charles Hoskinson and Silvio Macaulay are the people leading us beyond Bitcoin into the DeFi world. They are literally the newsmakers of tomorrow. And finally, we'll conclude our first day with a look at the cloud. We focused on the edge this year, and we'll introduce you to two amazing startups, one of which, Everactive, is creating battery-free IoT sensors to monitor everything at the edge. On Wednesday, we're focusing on mind, body, and work. I think you'll really enjoy Jeff Hawkins' thoughts on AI. He feels, contrary to popular opinion, that the AI we want needs far more than the deep learning advancements we've seen. We then move to the body and get into the amazing power of gene editing. You'll hear both about the incredible new healing advancements in CRISPR technology, as well as the precautions we must now take to defend against those who weaponize this same technology for harm. And we'll end the day at work, examining extended reality technologies. You'll both hear from people using this tech today, as well as have the chance to experience it yourself in a virtual reality reception. No special gear required. Join with your browser, and everyone who participates will have a chance to win an Oculus headset. Finally, Thursday, we get into some of the more global issues of energy and climate. I think I'm most excited to hear about what Sumant Sinha is doing with renewables in India, and his thoughts on hydrogen power, power intermittency, and the need for domestic clean energy manufacturing. We'll then take a look at the demand side and talk about how leading architecture firms are designing power-efficient buildings. And in our last session, we'll hear from two incredible innovation factories, Zoox, the Amazon-owned autonomous vehicle company, and our very own MIT Media Lab. Innovation at scale is such a challenge. It's going to be an amazing wrap-up to the 2 days. Finally, along the way, I'd recommend you pay attention to a couple things. The MIT Inside Track sessions are intended to give you a peek into the labs of MIT. We've got some amazing early research projects that are literally the tech of tomorrow. From our innovators under 35, we have 3-minute videos on each of their innovations, and we've brought 6 of them on stage for more in-depth analysis. And finally, every day we focus on one of the breakthrough technologies from our top 10 list. There is amazing work going on in hyper-accurate positioning, multi-skilled AI, and green hydrogen. So close your inbox and open your mind and let us introduce you to the innovators and innovations shaping tomorrow.